also like to invite, we have a fantastic medals showcasing the best of the best collection. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the biggest highlight for the grand finale at IIJW. It's now time to welcome the lovely diva of Tinseltang. Here's inviting on stage the debutante, the most eagerly awaited debutante, the lead actress of the Bang. Let's give it up for Sonakshi Sinha. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we'd now like to invite on stage the ace designer Archana Culture for these fantastic creations that have simply enhanced the wonderful jewelry. I'd like to once again invite on stage Giselle Monterio, Mr. Vasant Mehta, Chairman of the German Jewelry Export Promotion Council, and Mr. Balram Garg, Managing Director of PC Jewelers. The jewelry worn by Sonakshi and Giselle in this show and by Aisha and Mugdha in the previous show have all been sponsored by PC Jewelers.
Walking the ramp was great fun. The collection obviously by Archana Kochar and my jewelry is from PC Jewelers obviously. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. I think हर लड़की को dress up होना, अच्छी jewelry पहनना, खूबसूरत कपड़े पहनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So obviously I am the same और बहुत मज़ा आया. मुझे तो jewelry बहुत पसंद है और जो भी anything that shines मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो definitely diamond jewelry is great और ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. The one that I'm wearing with earrings and bangles. तो heavy तो है dress लेकिन I'm a girl जो बहुत बड़ी heels regular basis पे पहनती हूँ and I like to dress up a lot. तो thankfully I was very okay in it और इन्होंने इतना खूबसूरत dress बनाया कि I made an effort to manage to walk fine and I also ran a little. So I think I managed okay. मेरा fashion statement है I think everyone should be individualistic. हम दूसरों की नहीं सुने और अपना जो style है करना चाहिए. I think it's ridiculous to be an imitation. So I wear what I think is beautiful and I don't really care what others think. I think सबको ऐसा करना चाहिए. I think it's absolutely fabulous. I've not done anything of this sort before, and we've seen it for the past 3-4 days how beautiful it's looked. Everyone's looked glamorous and fabulous, and I think that it's a new thing, and I think anything that's new and revolutionary really looks great and fabulous. I'm enjoying it. And I think this is something that was meant to happen for a very long time because clothes and jewelry, they really go hand in hand. And generally what happens is clothes overshine jewelry so much that there is not really any importance given to jewelers. So I think this is something that was meant to happen for the longest time, and it's a very good thing that it has taken place. I think I love the way she looks, and I love her attitude towards life, her bubbliness, her positiveness. And I also like the way she likes Indian stuff. She doesn't like revealing stuff. She likes covered. She's an Indian woman liking Indian things. So it was such a treat to a delight to dress her up, and I love the way she's looking. She's carrying it so well.
Thank you.
Dad दिल्ली में unfortunately उनका काम वहाँ पर है, but उन्होंने कहा है as soon as you get off the ramp, call me. So I'm going to call him right now. The reaction is great actually. I'm feeling very good about it. I think growing up in the Sinha family, I've learned right from childhood, so it's become fairly easier for me right now. My fashion statement actually is very understated. I'm a very casual person, but these are my only chances I get to be glamorous. So here I am in an Archana Kochhar beautiful outfit and PC Jewelers, jewelry. So it's something I enjoy. I've done it before, and I really enjoy it. I feel close to fashion because I've studied it, and yeah, this is those very rare opportunities you get to. Do what you enjoy. I'm not actually, but right now I'm in such a beautiful piece and I'm enjoying every moment of it. I usually wear my mother's jewelry, so and she's got impeccable taste in jewelry, so I love borrowing from her.
या बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था रैंप वॉक करने के लिए मैं हमेशा तैयार रहती हूँ दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट लव ऑफ कोर्स तो बहुत मज़ा आया एंड वेयरिंग पीसी ज्वेलर्स ज्वेलरी इज़ ऑलवेज फन एंड आई लव देयर ज्वेलरी सो it's good fun. Yep. You're asking women how much she loves jewelry. All women love jewelry, diamond jewelry, and I'm wearing a fantastic piece today made by PC Jewelers, and I think it's fantastic, and I'm really enjoying wearing it. Yeah. I love earrings. I have many diamond earrings, and I think they just look stunning all the time. Yeah. So it depends on the occasion. Heavy, delicate, small, daily use के लिए अलग-अलग jewelry रहती है तो अलग-अलग occasion पे अलग-अलग jewelry पहनी जाती है. Fitness, fitness is my lifestyle. Or I always try to be fit. Yeah, I'm wearing Archana Kochhar, and I walked the ramp for her today by wearing PC Jewelers jewelry. And I think it's just good combination. And you guys have to tell me how I look today on the ramp. Be simple and be yourself. I have a film coming in December called Will You Marry Me? So that's the name of my film. So yeah, wait for it.